Let's take the next one, that is 19th question. Now here when you talk about the general term, you can clearly see it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on. So you can write it r square multiplied with the 20 CR, where r is from 1 to 20. Right? Now 20 CR you can write as 20 factorial upon r factorial into 20 minus r factorial. So you can rewrite it as summation r equals 1 to 20. So this 20 CR meaning you have r square into 20 by r into 19 CR minus 1. Right? So this r will be cancelled. You are left with simply summation over r into 19 CR minus 1, and 20 can be written outside. Here r is starting from 1 to 20. Now you can see this 19 CR minus 1, when you put r equals 1, right? So this becomes 19 C0 and so on. If you write here minus 1 plus 1, so first one is r minus 1 into something, r equals 1 will give you 0. So you can break it as 20 summation r is equal to 2 to 20, let's put it in a bracket, then 19 CR minus 1, because r minus 1 is also in multiplication. For r equals 1 it becomes 0, so let's start from 2 only, plus summation r is equal to 1 to 20 19 CR minus 1. Right? Now when you substitute the value for r 1 to 20 in the second one, what you observe, 19 C0 plus 19 C1 and so on up to 19 C19. So it is clearly 2 raised to the power 19. For the first one, it is 20 multiplied with summation r is equal to 2 to 20. Again you can write here 19 upon r minus 1, then r minus 1 is cancelled. So you have 19 into 18 CR minus 2 plus 2 raised to the power 19. Correct? Now when you put here 2 to 20, this is also 2 to the power 18. So let's put the value here. This is 20 multiplied with 19 into 2 to the power 18 plus 2 raised to the power 19. Taking 2 raised to the power 18 common, we get 19 plus 2, that is 21. So it is 420 into 2 raised to the power 18. Now let's see from the given options. It is given it is equal to a into 2 to the power beta. So you can clearly see 420 is there in 2, but 18 is mentioned only in option 3. So the correct answer is option number 3. Let's move on to the next one. A triangle has a vertex at 1, 2 and the midpoints of the two sides through it are -1, 1 and 2, 3. You have to talk about centroid of the triangle. Let's plan it. We have a triangle like this. Right? Now it is given one vertex is 1, 2. This midpoint is say -1, 1. This midpoint say 2, 3. Correct? If you consider this point as x2, y2, you can see x2 plus 1, let's write down x2, y2. So x2 plus 1 upon 2 is -1 and y2 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So from here you have x2 is equal to clearly -2 minus 1, that is -3, and y2 is equal to 0. Just write down here -3, 0. In the similar fashion you can get this vertex as x3 plus 1 is equal to 4, meaning x3 is 3, y3 plus 2 is equal to 6, so y3 is 4. Now what is required? Centroid of the triangle. Centroid is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and same for y. So you have -3 plus 1 upon 3, comma 0 plus 4 plus 2 upon 3. So it is 1 by 3, comma 2 is the centroid. So let's see, correct answer is option number 1. Let's move on to the next one, that is 21st question. If alpha, beta, gamma are three consecutive terms of a non-constant GP such that the equations these two have a common root, you have to talk about the value of alpha, beta plus alpha, gamma. So let's understand for this equation. Discriminant of this equation is 4 beta square minus 4 alpha gamma, which is 0, because it is given alpha, beta, gamma are in GP. So if you say the root is x1, so x1 plus x1, because discriminant is 0, so both roots are equal. So x1 plus x1 is minus 2 beta upon alpha, giving you value for x1 as minus beta by alpha. That's clear. It will also satisfy the second equation. Substitute there. Minus beta by alpha whole square plus minus beta by alpha minus 1 is equal to 0, or beta square minus alpha square minus alpha beta is equal to 0. Right? Now, this is one equation we obtained. We know that from the GP position, beta square is alpha gamma. Put it here. So we have alpha gamma minus alpha square minus alpha beta is 0. Take alpha common and throw it on the other side. You are left with gamma minus alpha plus beta is equal to 0. So we obtained the value for alpha plus beta as gamma. Now let's see what is required. They are asking for alpha into beta plus gamma. So let's write down. Therefore, alpha into beta plus gamma, which can be written alpha beta plus alpha gamma. Correct. Now, what is alpha gamma? Alpha gamma is beta square. So it is alpha beta plus beta square, or you can take beta common to write beta into alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is gamma, so it changes to beta gamma. Let's check out from the given options. Beta gamma, that is option number 3, is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the next one.